Well, figures I get to be on call tonight, and I carry mostly residential stuff on my truck. And my condenser fan motor on that unit took a crap. I don't have an 825, 208, 230 motor on my truck, so I had to get this thing up and running somehow. Let's see. Can't remember. Jeez, I got all kinds of freaking crap on this thing. Don't know which one's fan cycling, but had to get the thing up and running. We're gonna shut it down for the night, leave the doors closed, but that was my solution, just to get the thing running. I got here, it was 30 degrees, and here it is a half an hour later, and I think I got it down to almost 0. So, and the store's closing, so we're just going to leave the freezer doors closed all night and then get back here in the morning. But you got to do what you got to do to get it done. At least give them some kind of relief. Gotta love being on call for refrigeration. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.